Alright, this one is about merging layers between Maya and the Blender. In Maya, I got the same rig I got from this is beta from Agora, and you can see this is basically the same. It looks a bit awkward in Blender because it's meant for Blender 4.x and I'm still on 3.8.6, but it should do the work. So here in Maya I got few layers. This is the base and I got two more. So we will try to merge these layers, and I pick everything and merge, and it will take some time. So it's calculating, and hopefully we will see the cursor moving. So it moved to 0 now, and it will keep calculating the rest of the animation. Okay, for a simple animation it took a moment, but it is almost done. Normally we should see the merge animation soon. Okay, and now it's merged. We have everything in one single layer. So now everything is in the base animation. Meanwhile, in Blender, we got almost the same thing. So this is the base animation. We got two other layers, and we will try to merge the animation in the same way. So stop the animation. I will select the three layers and merge selected. Okay, and it's done. Now it took basically 2 seconds, and we got everything in the same layer here, and also in the same animation should be the merged. So if I delete all these, this should be the animation. Yeah, this is the merged animation, and it's all keyed and everything. Yeah, that's about it. Thanks.